We're at 453 Beatty Avenue in East Victoria Park. We're looking at the driveway here. So we've entered from the street. We're at the private rear position within the complex. That's the backyard. That is the garage under the main roof. And to the back is the storeroom. Entering to the front of the house, we'll go into the main living area. And so we have the lounge with the split system air conditioner. At the back we have the courtyard. Returning inside, we're in the meals area, looking through to the kitchen. The double stainless steel sink there, gas hot plate and separate oven. Coming through to the bedroom areas, we have bedroom 1. The largest of the bedrooms with semi-ensuite access to the bathroom and mirror doors on the built-in robes. Back to the hallway, we are next to the bathroom here with a separate shower, bath and toilet. Bedroom 2 with built-in robe. Bedroom 3, also with built-in robe and mirror doors. Separate toilets, so we have 2 toilets at this premises, and then the laundry with exit to the backyard.